No, I have already told. For Kannada is my first option, no doubt about it. And I have been always for. This is not the first time. Any time for Kannada, you can take the record and see what Shivana has done for Kannada. Nobody can deny that, and 100%. And that day I went for the function. That's all. And no doubt about it. And one more thing is, when Kamal Haasan sir came here, he came for this one. They could have asked on that day. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಅವರು ಕಮಲ್ ಹಾಸನ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಹೊರತು ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ No, they can make no problem. I'm not bothered because I am good at my heart. I have got complete heart because I am for art. Because we have been in the art and all the languages are important.